Milo from Atlantis here, and welcome back. This is this Sunday's video. I must be a real YouTuber now because I somehow lost all of the footage, audio, for the voiceover for this, so I'm recording it now, and it seems like an exclusively YouTuber thing to have a problem with. But today's video is about just loosely, quickly designing the flyers and the QR code stickers as my primary in-world IRL marketing materials for my book. Obviously, my digital marketing materials include things like this video, but these guys I'm going to try and stick around as many different places all over the town where I live as I can. So, like metaphysical shops, a lot of the arts district in Albuquerque is also like one of my target areas for just leaving not only the posters around, which are 4x6, but also sticking my QR code that links directly to my website on light poles and other things like that. Basically just going hog wild and guerrilla warfare style with the marketing that I'll be using for this. So I won't include any footage of me like painting the town red with marketing materials in this video, but I might show some clips in the future. Gosh, I really thought I had more to talk about because this is just me going through the process of slapping it together, and then there's going to be me showing you the actual finished printed materials at the end. Currently, I'm working on the sticker here. Just trying to make sure that it stays within the margins. So the stickers, I printed those at 2x2, I believe. And like I said earlier, the flyer itself is 4x6, and that's an that's in inches because I'm American scum. But I wanted to make sure I left about 1/4 inch of margin for the bleed, so that these could be full bleed printed, just because I know from experience printing full bleed that it just is so much sexier than having a white border around your stuff. Yeah, I'm making all of these in GIMP, really simple. I just used a spread that I already have used for a lot of advertising for the kind of main image, I suppose you'd say. I know how to do it, I'm not always as familiar with the language surrounding it. I didn't get a degree or anything for any of the design work that I know how to do. I've just always raw dogged it. You can see me swapping out the previous design I had for the sticker, but I ended up liking the more simplistic QR code centric one. Oh, here we go. We're gonna go right to the results. Bam! Look at that. So I got, 75 stickers and 50 flyers. You can see the sticker back there. They all came out really nice. I think total for this project pricing at Cat Print was about 50 bucks, which not bad considering. And here you can see footage of the sticker being a sticker. Pretty pleased about that. Yeah, so this is this week's video. Thank you for joining me, and I'm making a book called TarotSaur, and this is my YouTube series basically detailing my process for that. I think next week's video is going to be about my printing options and going through budgeting and things like that. So if you're interested in anything like that, stay tuned.